so I got my card and I'm gonna call the number on the back.
Welcome to Chase Inc.
What can you help you out today?
I am calling. I actually, just had a whole lot going on. I wasn't able to get to my bills in time, and I was late on my payment by about 2 days and got charged a late fee. I've since paid it in full, and I was wondering if you could help me get that late fee removed.
Yeah, well, I'd be happy to take a look and see what we can do about that late fee for you. I understand that everything's going on there. Sometimes things kind of slip by us. So that $39 late fee, we can certainly waive that for you, get your refund within 1 to 2 business days, and then also suppress interest next billing cycle, so you won't see any additional interest because of that.
Awesome.
We'll take care of that for you. Anything else I can do to help you out?
No, that was it. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
You too. Bye-bye. Now we're calling another one.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'm calling. I got a late fee charged on my credit card the other day, and I have since made the payment in full. I was just wondering if I could get that waived.
Okay, I can see your late fee was applied for $28 on the 15th. If you don't mind me asking, is there a reason why you were not able to make a payment? Because I can see you're always good with your payment.
Yeah, I mean,
on the account here.
Yeah, just a whole lot's been going on, and I just didn't get a chance to make the payment.
Alright, well, you don't have to worry since you always make a payment on time. We'll be waiving the late fee that you will be receiving in 1 to 3 business days.
Great. Thank you very much.
Okay, well, thank you for calling, Chase. You have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. That was pretty simple.